Exercise 13.2 of the chapter volume, surface area and volumes. In this exercise, we will find the volume of the combination of solids. First, we know that about the formula of volumes. Volume of cube equal to side cube. Volume of cuboid, length into breadth into height. Volume of cylinder equal to pi r square h, where r is the radius and height h. And volume of cone equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube. And volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. And volume equal to area of base into height. The combination of solids of like this: a cylinder with hemispherical end, cylinder with two cones, cylinder with a cone, cylinder with two hemispheres, cylinder and cylinder, combination of two cylinders, and sphere and cylinder. If we want to the volume of this solid, the first we have the volume of cylinder is pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube, volume of hemisphere. In this figure, volume of cylinder pi r square h and volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, and this volume 1 by 3 pi r square h. In this figure, volume of cylinder is pi r square h and volume of cone 1 by 3 pi r square h. In this, volume of cylinder pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube and 2 by 3 pi r cube. Both are the cylinders. The volume of this cylinder pi r square pi r1 square h1 square. The radius is r1. Here is the radius r2. Then pi r2 square h2. The height of this cylinder is h1 and h2 this. And volume of this 4 by 3 pi r cube. R is the radius of this r1 and r2 radius of cylinder r2 pi r2 square h. We have to add the volume of these two solids in this exercise. Question number 1. Number 1. A solid is in the shape of cone standing on a hemisphere with the both radii being the equal to 1 centimeter and height of the cone is equal to the radius. Find the volume of the solid in terms of pi. The volume of the solid equal to hemisphere plus cone. Volume of hemisphere and volume of cone. Radius equal to 1 centimeter. The formula of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube plus 1 by 3 pi r square h, where height and radius equal to 1 centimeter. Taking pi common, 2 by 3 r cube is 1 cube and r square 1 by 3, 1 square into 1. So 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 is 3 by 3, pi into 3 by 3. The volume is pi centimeter cube. Next question. Question number 2. The figure is cylinder attached with two cones and diameter is 3 centimeter and height of the model is 12 centimeter and height of the conical parts 2 centimeter each. Here is the radius is common. Then diameter equal to 3 centimeter. It means radius equal to 3 by 2 centimeter. And height of the cone h1 equal to 2 centimeter. And height of the cylinder equal to 12 minus 2 plus 2, 4. It means 8 centimeter. And find the volume of the solid equal to volume of the model. Volume of cylinder, it means pi r2, pi r square h2. And volume of two cones, 2 into 1 by 3 pi r square h1. Now taking common pi r square, h2 plus 2 by 3 h1. Put the value 22 by 7, r is 3 by 2 pi r square and H2 is 8 plus 2 by 3 into 2. It means 4 by 3. The height is 2. Cancel 11. 99 by 14 into 3 8 ja 24 plus 4 28 by 3. 3 8 ja 24 plus 4 28. 14 2 ja and 3 33. The answer is 66 centimeter cube. Next question. A gulab jamun contains a sugar syrup up to above 30% of the volume. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns, each shaped like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends, and the length 5 cm and diameter 2.8 cm. 45 gulab jamuns and 30% sugar syrup. The figure of the question number 3. A gulab jamun is a shape of cylinder with two hemispherical ends. The total length of the gulab jamun is 5 cm. Diameter is 2.8. There is the radius is 1.4 and 1.4. Radius 1.4 and height of the cylindrical portion is 5 minus 1.4 plus 1.4 is 2.2 cm. The volume of one gulab jamun equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of two hemispheres. The volume of cylinder is pi r square h plus 2 into 2 by 3 pi r cube. Taking pi r square common, h plus 4 by 3 r. Put the value. Pi is 22 by 7, r is 1.4 into 1.4 and h is 2.2 plus 4 by 3 into 1.4. Now solve this. I am solving. 7 to the 14.2, 14 to the 28.28 into 22 is 6.16 and 3 6.6 plus 14 5.6 by 3. Now solving this we are getting. And the volume of 45 gulab jamuns. Volume of 45 gulab jamuns equal to 75.152 by 3 into 45. Now cancel 15. Again sugar syrup 30%. 30% of sugar syrup. The volume of sugar syrup equal to 30% of this, 30 by 100 into 75.152 by 3, into 15, not the 3. Multiplying this. After multiplying the answer this, and by 100, 338.18 centimeter cube. Therefore, approx 338. Next question number 4. A pen stand made of wood in the shape of a cuboid with 4 conical depressions to hold pens. The dimensions of the cuboid are 15 cm, 10 cm and 3.5 cm. The radius of each of the depression is 0.5 cm and depth is 1.4 cm. Find the volume of the wood in the entire stand. The volume of the wood is volume of cuboid minus volume of 4 cones. Volume of wood. Length, breadth and height of the cuboid is this. Radius equal to 0.5 cm of cone and height is 1.4 cm of the cone. Volume of wood equal to volume of cuboid minus volume of 4 cones. The volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height. And volume of 4 cones 4 into 1 by 3 pi r square h. Put the values. 15 into 10 into 3.5 minus 4 by 3 pi 22 by 7 r square means 0.5 into 0.5 into h is 1.4 4. Cancel 0.2 and multiplying this 150 into 3.5 minus multiplying, you can solve the find the answer 150 into 3.5 and 88.05 by 3, right? This is the answer 523.53 centimeter cube. The next question number 5. A vessel is in the form of an inverted cone. Its height is 8 cm and radius of its top, which is open, is 5 cm. It is filled with the water up to the brim. When lead shots, each of which in a sphere of radius 0.5 cm are dropped into the vessel, 1/4 of the water flows out. Find the number of lead shots dropped in the vessel. The radius of the cone is 5 cm and height of the cone is 8 cm. And the spherical ball 0.5 cm is the radius. The 1/4 volume of the cone equal to number of spherical shots n into number of spherical volume of spherical shot n into volume of this. The 1/4 volume of cone is pi, 1/3 pi, r square means 5 into 5 into h, and here n into 4/3 pi r cube. R cube means 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. Now pi cancel and 5 cancel, 4 to the 8, 2 to the 4. Now solve this. 5 5 ja 25 by 6, and here by 3 pi cancel n into n by 3 0.125, n equal to 3 to the 6, 25 by 2 into 0.125. Now decimal 25 to the 200, decimal cancel, equal to 100. The number of spherical shots equal to 100. You can solve in your way. Next question. Question number 6. A solid iron pole consists of a cylinder of height 220 cm and base diameter 24 cm, which is surmounted by another cylinder of height 60 cm and radius 8 cm. Find the mass of the pole given that 1 centimeter cube of iron has approximately 8 gram mass, and use pi equal to 3.14. This is a figure of question number 6. Two iron poles. The diameter is 24 cm, height is 22 cm, and other radius 8 cm and height 60 cm. The diameter D1 equal to 24, the radius 1 equal to 12 cm, H1 220, and R2 8, and S2. The volume of the solid, the volume of pole equal to pi R1 square H1 plus pi R2 square H2. Pi common, it means 3.14. R1 square is 12 into 12 into 220 plus 8 into 8 into 60. Solve. 3.14. Again solve this. 12 into 12, 144 into 220 plus 64 into 60. Now multiplying. Now 144 into 220 is 31680 and 64 into 60 3840. 3.14 into 35,000, adding this 35,520, and multiplying this we get 111532.8, and the weight is multiplying by 8 892,262.4 gram, and in kg dividing by 1000 892.26 kg. Next question number 7. Question number 7. A solid consisting of a right circular cone of height 120 cm radius 60 centimeter, standing on a hemisphere of radius 60 centimeter, is placed upright in a right circular cylinder full of water, such that it touches the bottom. Find the volume of water left in the cylinder if the radius of the cylinder is 60 centimeter and height is 180 centimeter. This is a figure. A hemisphere and cone standing in a cylindrical portion. The radius is 60 centimeter. The radius of cone, cylinder and hemisphere is 60 centimeter, and height of the cylinder is 180 centimeter and height of the cone 120 centimeter. Volume of water left in the cylinder. It means volume of cylinder minus volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Adding this, and volume of cylinder is pi r square h1 minus volume of hemisphere plus cone 2 by 3 pi r cube plus 1 by 3 pi r square h1. Now taking common pi r square, we get h1 minus 2 by 3 r minus 1 by 3 h2. Now put the values 22 by 7 into 60 into 60, and h1 is 180 minus 2 by 3 into 60 minus 1 by 3 into 120. Here is 22 by 7 into 3600. Now 180 minus 40, 140 and 40. Here we get only 100. 180 minus 40, 140, 140 minus 40, 100. Now solve this. Now multiplying 22 into 3600 into 100 by 7 is get, we get 1131428.571 centimeter cube. This quantity is very large. We will convert into the meter cube. Meter cube means divided by 100, 100 and 100. 1.1314 centimeter cube. Last question. Question number 8. A spherical glass vessel has a cylindrical neck 8 cm long and 2 cm in diameter. The diameter of the spherical part is 8.5 cm. By measuring the amount of water it holds, a child finds its volume is 345 cm cube. Check whether she is correct, taking above as the inside measurement. Pi equal to 3.14. This is the figure of the question number 8. A sphere plus cylinder. The radius diameter is 2 cm. The diameter of the cylindrical portion is 2 cm. It means radius is 1 cm and height is 8 cm. And diameter is 8.5 cm of spherical portion. The radius equal to 8.5 by 2. The volume of vessel equal to volume of sphere plus volume of cylinder. Volume of sphere equal to 4 by 3 pi r2 cube plus pi r1 square h. Now taking pi common. 4 by 3 r2 cube plus r1 square h. Now put the values. Pi is 3.14. 4 by 3 r2 means 8.5 by 2 into 8.5 by 2 plus r1 square 1 into 1 into height is 8 centimeter. Solve. Very long calculation. 8.5 cube is equal to 614.125 divided by 2 2s are 4 cancel, 3 2s are 6 plus 8. 6 8s are 48. Adding this 662.125 by 6 and multiplying these two digits divided by 6, we get 346.51 centimeter cube. This is the answer. The answer of the girl is 345. It means wrong. The answer of is her wrong. The correct answer is 346.51 centimeter cube. Thank you.